Hi guys, so I will be leaving to Colorado on the trip and yeah, I have about 1100 miles to go. I thought I will take you guys with me. The bike is all ready, I'm all packed up. So yes, I will take you with me on this trip and we'll see how far we can get today. It looks like some rain on the way, but I hopefully will be able to go around it. So I'm gonna get on the bike right now and I will keep on going. So I'm about 50-60 miles from home, and yes, looks like there is a little rain coming in, so I decided to just stop on the gas station, and I actually adjusted my backrest because it was a little bit too close for me. So it's actually perfect moment to just refresh and hydrate and take a little break. I think that probably in about like 30-40 minutes I should be ready to go. It's just like a small speck from like a really huge storm, so I went south on purpose just to avoid that. Yeah, I'm just gonna get some gas. I almost ran out, so I have to say I'm probably 188 miles in so far. So yeah, it was a really good ride. I thought it's gonna rain, but it didn't actually rain, so that's just good. Quincy, Illinois. Yeah, really nice Midwest town. So I went to the Fuzzy Bubbler in Quincy, Illinois. I have to say, really nice bar. I truly enjoyed the atmosphere. It was really nice decor. I have to say, I really appreciate the fact that they have local beers, so you can try some local breweries production. And yeah, I really like that. I have about 2 beers, so I think I'm gonna just head to the hotel right now and just get ready for tomorrow. It might be a little bit of rain in the morning, but yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. Today it's supposed to rain and it didn't really rain, so in the background you can see the bridge that will take me to Missouri in the morning. So after I wake up I will just cross the bridge and I will be in different state. I was never in Missouri before, so yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to it. And I have to say, so far I truly enjoyed the Quincy. Really nice Midwestern town that I have to say I get a great service in the restaurant, and yeah, overall it's a pretty cool place. You can see the drops just starting at this second. So I put the cover on my seat. This is the genuine leather seat, so I don't want to mess it up. And yeah, right now that I have the backrest, I have to figure something out really quickly, but yeah, it was no big deal. Hopefully it will hold on till tomorrow. Can you guys believe this? This is just extreme condition. There is warning on weather bug that any activities should be cancelled. And this is just normal rain, just to compare what was happening before. So this is day number 2. I just got the quick breakfast at the Subway, and I will be crossing to Missouri soon. And yes, I have to say it's a late start today. It's around 11 o'clock, but yeah, I have a good night's sleep, and yeah, it was a good beer yesterday, so I was pretty late in the hotel, but yeah, I'm ready to roll. doesn't look like fun at all. I get up ahead of the time, so hopefully I don't get wet like crazy, but yeah, we'll see. This is Route 36 in Kansas. It's all for myself. It's like barely anybody even riding in here. So yeah, I just pass some cars from time to time, but yeah, you can just go by yourself and have fun. I landed in St. Francis in Kansas, and I have to say I'm super excited. I will be meeting one of the subscriber of the channel, Tyler. He actually proposed to go to a really nice motorcycle museum, so I have to say I'm super happy about that, and I'm definitely looking forward to meet a new friend. And yeah, it's only like 30 minutes away from here, and I have to say I was riding really late at night yesterday. I get to the hotel around 11:30, but yeah, this is basically what it is. Sometime I book the hotels as I go, so that was the closest one. And yeah, I will be meeting Tyler really quickly, and after that we'll just head to the museum. So I will show you guys a few shots from the museum. So after about 3 hours, I finally landed at Colorado Spring, and I have a nice burger in downtown. And yes, this is my hotel for the night. So I will just refresh a little bit and have a good night's sleep. And I'm looking forward to meeting my wife. She will be flying in tomorrow. So yeah, that's actually perfect. So I have about 3 hours to go to Breckenridge tomorrow. And yes, I'm definitely looking forward to that. So finally I'm able to see some of the mountains, and yes, I'm really excited to ride around this area in here. And this is the hotel I'm staying in, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So far I logged in about 1100 miles. I have to say it was a really easy day yesterday. I get a little bit of the sunburn, so I guess I have to protect my face a little bit better. But yes, in about 3 hours I should be in Breckenridge. and I will show you guys some of the local roads, so hopefully you can enjoy. The bike is ready to go. I cleaned it yesterday. My god, guys, I mean, these bugs in here are just crazy. And yeah, I can see all this pollen on my saddlebags. Yeah, it was like perfectly clean yesterday, and overnight this is what happened. But yeah, I checked my oil, just make sure that everything's good, and yeah, I will be heading out soon. Yeah, I have to say, a really amazing ride so far. It's a nice twisty road in here, and it looks like we are going up in the elevation. But yeah, I truly enjoy that. So yeah, if you guys have the chance to come over here, I will highly recommend it. I mean, it's a beautiful area for sure, and these small, tiny little towns. Yeah, those are especially interesting for me. I really love it. So maybe when we will come back with my wife in here, maybe we will stop there and I will show you guys some more. I arrived at the Breckenridge, and yes, I have to say I'm really happy with the apartment that we rented in here. That was through Expedia, but it was a really good deal. It was only $100 a night, so I think that it was really nice score. It's like 5 minutes from the downtown, so I explored the downtown a little bit already. I'm waiting for my wife right now to arrive, and yeah, we'll see what we're gonna do with the evening. Check this out. This is beautiful apartment in the middle of Breckenridge, and yeah, you can see the mountains and everything. 5 minutes from downtown. Today we plan to go to Independence Pass, so it's about 1 hour and 30 minutes, and then we'll try to visit some local places around and show you guys what's going on. I have to say, really beautiful roads in here, and you have to just be careful. There is no barriers around, so yeah, it's a little dangerous, but just go slow. And I will have to say, this is so worth it. This is just such a beautiful area, and you are at a really high elevation. You can still see some snow, and when we were riding, we could still see it. So yeah, I would highly recommend this place if you are in Colorado. Yeah, this is definitely must see.